Hello student, now we start the second chapter of Advanced Java Programming, that is Swing, which have 10 marks. So let me see the second chapter, Swing. The learning outcome of this video: first we see what is Swing, then we see features of Swing, then we see the hierarchy of Swing, and at last we see the difference between AWT and Swing. So these are the learning outcomes of today's video. Next we see the Swing. So in previous chapter we see the AWT, that is abstract windowing toolkits, and in that chapter we study the different AWT components like label, button, and etc. So Swing is another package in Java to create the GUI based application. So it is designed based on AWT. So now we see the what is Swing. Java Swing is a part of Java Foundation classes that is used to create Windows based application. JFC, the Java Foundation classes are a set of GUI, that is graphical user interface components, which simplify the development of desktop application. So Swing also have some components that we already see in the AWT. It is built on the top of AWT API and entirely written in the Java. Unlike AWT, Java Swing provide platform independent and lightweight component. So these are the some features of Swing. Swing components are platform independent and lightweight. Lightweight in sense it use the small memory than AWT component. Then the javax.swing package provide the class for Java Swing API such as JButton, JTextField, JTextArea, JButton, JCheckbox, JMenu. So the difference between AWT and Swing: in AWT we use the button class and in Swing we use the JButton class. So it is small difference. The class name is different in JSwing. All class are initiate with J. In AWT we use text field. In Swing we use the J text field. Then next we see the features of Swing package. First is lightweight. Swing components are independent of native operating system API, as Swing API control are rendered mostly using pure Java code instead of underlining operating system call. So simple in the the Swing components are lightweight. The next feature of Swing is reach control. Swing provide a rich set of advanced control like tree, tap pan, slider, color picker, and table control. So these components are not present in AWT and which are included in Swing package. The components like tree, tap pan, slider. Next feature of Swing class is highly customizable. Swing control can be customized in very easy way as visual appears is independent of internal representation. And last feature is pluggable look and feel. Swing based GUI application look and feel can be changed at runtime based on available values. So these are the different features of Swing class. Mainly you know the simple meaning of the word, and many time in examination question is asked Swing components are lightweight, true or false. So that time we all of you know the features of Swing class, Swing package. Next, we have some MCQs. Features of Swing. Options are A. Lightweight, B. Pluggable look and feel, C. Both A and B, and last option none of above. So as we see features of Swing, the options C is right, lightweight and pluggable and feel. So both A and B are right. Second question, dash dash package provide classes for Java Swing API. First option Java dot swing, second option Java X dot swing, third option Java dot swing X, and last option none of above. So remember one thing, the swing package use the Java X dot swing package. Okay. So answer of this question is option B, Java X dot swing. Third question, Java Swing provide platform independent and lightweight components. So options are true and false. Answer of the question is true. Next, we see some hierarchy of Swing class. The figure shows the hierarchy of Swing class. The hierarchy of Java Swing API is given below. First, main superclass is object. In object, the component is another subclass. In component, J component is the another subclass. So this J component contain the different components for Swing class. Then component already have containers. We already see this part in AWT. Container contain Windows class, and then window contain frame and dialog. Container also contain panel, and panel contain applet. So J component have different AWT components like JLabel, JList, JTable, JComboBox. Combo box is new component in in Swing, which is not present in AWT. Next one, slider, JSlider, JMenu, abstract button, JButton. So these are the some components from J component, uh, and we see this component in this chapter one by one. Next, we see the difference between AWT and Swing. So in previous chapter, we study the AWT components, and in this chapter, we study Swing components. So first, we see the difference between AWT and Swing components. So first point is AWT components are platform dependent, and in Java Swing components are platform independent. Second difference is AWT components are heavyweight, Swing components are lightweight. Third difference is AWT does not support pluggable look and feel. Swing support pluggable look and feel. Fourth difference is AWT provide less component than Swing. Swing provide more powerful components such as table, list, scroll pane, color chooser, tab pane, tree, etc. And the last difference between AWT component and Swing is AWT does not follow MVC, that is model view controller, where model represent data, view represent presentation, and controller acts as an interface between the model and view. And Swing follow the MVC. So these are the some points regarding difference between the AWT and Swing. Now we have some questions. Dash dash provide more powerful components such as table, list. Options are AWT, second option Swing, third option both A and B, and last option none of above. Answer of this question is Swing. Swing provide more powerful components such as table, list, etc. Second question, dash dash is not component of Swing. Options are JButton, second option label, third option JTable, and last option JList. So as we see, the all classes present in Swing package are initiated with J. So Label is the not component of swing, it is the component of AWT. So answer of this question is label. Label is not component of swing. Last question, swing follow MVC, that is model view controller. Answer is true. Thank you.